Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. Picture this, you are gearing up for a full day of adventure. Your watch lights up with a personalized training plan based on yesterday's recovery, tracks your heart rate zone during a trail run, plays your playlist through Bluetooth headphones, and still has a week of battery left when you get home. That is not just a watch, that is your personal coach, navigator, and motivator all in one. Today we are lacing up with the Garmin Vívoactive 6 Health and Fitness GPS smartwatch, the latest in Garmin's lineup that combines sleek style with serious sports tracking for people who live to move. If you are ready to level up your fitness game without the bulk or the battery anxiety, stick around because this might be the smartwatch that finally keeps up with you. And yes, grab it through the link in the description to support the channel at no extra cost. Let us get active. First, let us break down the features that make the Vívoactive 6 a fitness powerhouse. This is a 1.3-inch AMOLED touchscreen in a lightweight polymer case that weighs only 38 grams, so it feels like nothing on your wrist but packs a punch with 5 ATM water resistance for swimming or showers. Battery life is up to 11 days in smartwatch mode, 8 days with always-on display, and 26 hours of GPS tracking with fast USB-C charging that gets you back to full in under an hour. The Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor tracks continuously, including during sleep for a full score, body battery energy levels, HRV status for recovery, and it even has ECG for heart rhythm checks. On the fitness front, it has over 30 built-in sports apps, from running to cycling to yoga, with on-screen animated workouts for strength, cardio, and mobility, plus VO2 max estimates, training load, and suggested daily activities. GPS with multiband accuracy locks in fast, even under trees, and it maps routes with breadcrumb navigation. Smart features include notifications, Garmin Pay for contactless payments, music storage for up to 500 songs, and Spotify, Amazon Music, or Deezer control. The Connect IQ store adds apps like Strava for social sharing or Calm for meditation. I have been wearing it for a month of runs, waits, and hikes. The sleep insights helped me adjust my routine, and the music streaming kept me going without my phone. Overall, it is a balanced blend of health wisdom and everyday ease that feels premium for active lives. Now, pros and cons, because Real Gear Talk means the full scoop. On the pro side, the 11-day battery is a game changer. You forget charging exists, and the AMOLED screen is vibrant and readable in any light. Health metrics are accurate and actionable. The body battery and HRV gave me insights that improved my training, and the animated workouts are perfect for home sessions. Music and payments make it smart without overwhelming, and at around $300, it is a value king with polymer lightness. Users rave about the fast GPS and how it motivates consistency. Bottom line, it boosts your active life, simplifies tracking, and looks sharp on any wrist. The cons, fairly flagged, $300 is not entry-level, though cheaper than higher-end Garmin's, and the polymer case is durable but not as premium as titanium. No LTE for standalone calls, and while water-resistant, it is not for scuba dives. A few noted the band can slip during sweaty runs. These are small slips in a smooth stride. So, do I recommend the Garmin Vívoactive 6? 100% yes, especially if you want deep fitness insights, long battery, and smart features for an active lifestyle without the bulk. The pros like AMOLED brilliance and health depth far outweigh the cons for runners, cyclists, or daily movers. It is a fitness friend that pays off in energy and ease. If that is your stride, click the link in the description right now to snag it on Amazon. Best prices and deals await. Quick shout out, if these wrist wonders get you geared, subscribe and turn on notifications for more fitness flips. And click that affiliate link, it keeps the insights flowing at no extra to you. One last reminder, grab the Garmin Vívoactive 6 through the link below for the best pricing and our special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, team. If this stepped up your game,